We are honored to have such a huge personality India has witnessed in the recent era. Good morning everyone. I, Halima Lakhani, representing Namo Medical Education and Research Institute. It's my distinct honor and privilege to extend a very warm welcome to all of you today. We are gathered for this special occasion. Today, we are truly privileged to be joined by a very esteemed guest whose leadership and dedication have left a profound impact on our country. Please join me in welcoming the Vice President of our country, Honorable Shri Jagdeep Dhankar Sir, along with Mrs. Dhankar Ma'am and our Administrator Sir of Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman Diu and Lakshadweep, Honorable Shri Praful Patel Sir. पिछले 5 से 8 सालों में दादरा नगर हवेली एवं दमन दीव ने हर क्षेत्र में, खास करके शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में काफी तरक्की की है. This is possible only due to the blessings of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and hard work of our Honorable Administrator Sir Shri Praful Patel Sir. यह सभी कॉलेजेस जैसे कि नमो मेडिकल एजुकेशन एंड रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट सिलवासा, कॉलेज ऑफ नर्सिंग सिलवासा, कॉलेज ऑफ नर्सिंग दमन, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फैशन टेक्नोलॉजी दमन, गुजरात नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी सिलवासा कैंपस एंड गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग दमन, यह सभी कॉलेजेस बच्चों के लिए वरदान हैं. सर, आज आपके सामने आपसे चर्चा करने के लिए वे छात्र बैठे हैं जो इन 5 सालों में हुई शिक्षा के क्षेत्र की प्रगति के द्योतक है, जो यहाँ नहीं होते अगर यह सभी कॉलेजेस नहीं होते. I request the students present here to kindly stand and say something about themselves and their respective colleges.
Good morning, sir. It's a great honor to have you here. I'm Pranali Kimball, final year medical student from Khanville, a tribal village of DNH. Sir, previously there were only 10 medical seats for our UD students in the entire country, but with the grace of Honorable Prime Minister Sir and the hard work of our Administrator Sir, we have received this college and now we have 177 medical seats with
How many?
177.
From 10 seats
Yes.
to 177.
Yes.
Well, that is defining progress of Bharat. Let me tell you, that is also our economic jump. We were amongst 5 fragile economies of the world. Fragile, you understand? And now we are 5th biggest economy in the world. We are ahead of UK, the rulers for the world. We are ahead of Canada. We are ahead of Brazil. We are going to be ahead of Japan and Germany in next 2 years. Good country.
And so with 80% reservation for the students of UT, DNH and DD. So I would also like to highlight the unique initiative known as the Village Adoption Program for rural communities guided by Sir Administrator Sir. In this, we students from Namo Medical College and the Nursing College and Allied Health Science College, along with our faculties, on every Saturday, we together as a team visit all the colleges, all the villages of DNH to provide the healthcare services and to raise the awareness regarding the PM flagship scheme. And also because of this, now there is a massive improvement about the quality of the water and also hygiene, sanitation and reduction in the malnutrition and also the communicable disease.
I had the good fortune, boys and girls, to see the model. The model was in 2 parts. One that is already in existence. That is amazing. And what is going to come up. So this campus from medical facilities will be holistic. And the library, I am told by the administrator, is a good one. Can I appeal to you? if you look about health care, पहला सुख निरोगी काया. You may be quite competent, physically fit, intelligent, very keen, devoted, nationalist, but if you are not healthy, you can't help others because you are trying to help yourself. Therefore, the Prime Minister's call, Fit India, will be Hit India. You are doing a good job. And your compass, already 12 acres have been added, which means now you will have a compass more than 30 acres. Very good planning, amazing. Enjoy every moment of it. And how soothing to note, the Saturday here is holistic, getting connect from all. Go ahead.
And so we are privileged that this program has been appreciated by the Honorable Prime Minister sir in Mann Ki Baat. Thank you.
Mann Ki Baat is a dialogue started by a person who had seen what is destitution, कमी क्या है, दिक्कत क्या है, चिंताएं क्या है, आगे बढ़ना कितना मुश्किल है. If you examine Mann Ki Baat, it uplifts our morale. It educates us about our civilization, about our Sanskriti. It reminds us of our festivals. The man is in action 24/7 and his eyes are 360 degrees. Am I right, Singhlaji? They are 360 degrees also for your service. Therefore, please focus on Mann Ki Baat. Go to the root of it and you can find all the episodes. When I went to Northeast and I looked at a stall of a girl, I said, it's a great, you are good writer. The Honorable Prime Minister talked about me in Mann Ki Baat. Actually, this Mann Ki Baat is Bharat Ki Baat. Mark my words. It touches every segment of the society. It makes people dream. It makes people how to aspire. Then it doesn't end here. It tells people how to have the dream fructified. How you get your aspirations. For the first time in the country, you have an ecosystem. An ecosystem is in place where every boy and girl can fully exploit one's talent, potential, work hard, and realize ambition and dreams. That's a big thing that is happening. आप तो बहुत भाग्यशाली हो. हमने बचपन में क्या क्या चुनौतियां नहीं देखी. दूसरे गांव पढ़ने जाना होता था, तेज धूप में आते थे, पेड़ की छाया नहीं मिलती थी, कहीं गाय या भैंस का गोबर दिखता था तो उसमें पांव दे देते थे. मेडिकल वालों को पता होगा ताकि पांव को थोड़ा शांत मिले. एंड लुक एट नाउ, दुनिया में हमारा डंका बज रहा है क्योंकि हर गांव में इंटरनेट है, हर व्यक्ति का बैंक अकाउंट है, सरकारी सहायता बिना बिचौलिए के पहुंच रही है. आपका जो ये डेवलपमेंट देख रहे हो, ये एक बहुत बड़े विशाल डेवलपमेंट का एक हिस्सा है. और आपके यहाँ तो गति बहुत तेज है. Administrator is a very experienced man. He is grounded to the reality. He thinks big, executes big. और इनमें एक खास कला है, काम कराने की. ये भी
so much the students of Namo Medical Education and Research Institute, students of Nursing, students of Allied Health Science, students of Gujarat National Law University, students of National Institute of Fashion Technology and students of Government of Engineering College. Sir, आपके यहाँ आने से हमारी कॉलेज की गरिमा और भी बढ़ गई है।
ये बात मत कीजिए, एक नहीं तो बोला है लो का कोई खड़ा हो, लो में से कोई खड़े हो जाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
नमस्ते सर। नमस्ते।
गुजरात नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशन पूरा बदल गया है। नाउ आई हैव अ पीस ऑफ एडवाइस। अर्लियर देयर वाज एन आइडिया दैट एन एडवोकेट एक्ट्स ओनली विद अ ब्लैक गाउन। पिक्चर में दिखते थे ठीक है, वकील है बिल्कुल। वकालत के पेशे में बहुत बदलाव आ गया, व्यापक बदलाव आ गया है। यू कैन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट इन एवरी एस्पेक्ट, पॉलिसी मेकिंग, लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसलिंग, योर स्कोप इन ग्लोबल बॉडीज, यूनाइटेड नेशंस, यूएनडीपी, वर्ल्ड बैंक, IMF, एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक, your role in corporates, you have role in big consultancy firms. That's a good job you are doing. मैं एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर साहब को कहूंगा, constitute a group of 30 students from each of the faculties, from medical, from law, from engineering, from nursing, all that can be named also. And the first batch must visit Vice President and Chairman Rajya Sabha at New Delhi, and we will make your arrangements right from the time you land and you leave Delhi. We will make you see Indian Parliament, the new building, the old one, the annexe, the extension, administration of the whole. You will have the occasion to see Prime Minister's Museum also. What a big change has taken place. You will have the occasion to see Bharat Mandapam. But this group of 25 is not the last group, it is going to the first group. Till we have the last one also visiting me periodically. If I will be in Delhi, I will spend time with you. Am I right? Yes, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Second, keep on learning every day. Never have fear. Fear is the greatest pillar of innovation and intellect. And never fear failure. If you start fearing failure, you are generating failure for yourself. Some people have the habit to be negative. This water, oh, 20% empty. Ignore them because it is 80% full. Am I right? Yes. And 80% in this glass is optimum. If you feel it 100%, not good. India is rising like this. There are some people with negative mentality. Make them feel positive. Ask them to open their eyes and see what is happening. So one, never fear failure. Tell me, Chandrayaan 2 was largely successful, more than 80%, it was 90% successful. Some people call Chandrayaan 2 as failure. But Chandrayaan 2 was a stepping stone to successful Chandrayaan 3. Am I right? Yes, sir. तो एक बात बिल्कुल सही है, नो टेंशन, am I right? नो स्ट्रेस, नो फियर ऑफ फेलियर, ऑलवेज थिंक बिग। पता क्यों? ये पूरी दुनिया कह रही है कि हॉट स्पॉट तो भारत है, दुनिया यहां पर आना चाहती है। और आप अपने साथियों को भी कहिए कि सरकारी नौकरी के अलावा जो अपॉर्चुनिटी का बास्केट है, और जो बास्केट बढ़ रहा है लगातार, उसकी तरफ भी ध्यान दें। वो ज्यादा कारगर है। Therefore, have positive attitude. Believe in your nation. Keep nation always first. Okay? Over to her now. अच्छा ओके.
नमस्ते सर. नमस्ते मैम. मैं झुंझुनू राजस्थान से रौनक सिंह.
Oh, I belong to Jhannu. It was not my intention to be regional minded, it happened by accident. On a lighter side, even prime ministers have become by accident.